Hey everybody. Today we have a special and rather risky experiment. Gabe and I were literally just talking before we started the intro and stopped the entire process and second-guessed this whole thing because there's just a really strong chance this isn't going to work. But Gabe's exact words were, well, the other ways we want to do it are too easy, so this is the way we're going to go. And that's usually the way that we roll here. We take the illogical road that makes almost no sense and most likely leads to failure. Anyway, the goal was to take a purple pearl and infuse it into a HyperShift pearl to see if we can amplify the purple in that HyperShift pearl. And then we had the bright idea to change a little bit, because instead of taking a HyperShift pearl that already has purple and then increasing the purple in it, which would make a lot of sense, we chose to take a HyperShift pearl that has no purple at all to see if we can just force feed purple right into the mix. Here's what we're working with. This is ZTO HyperShift pearl. And this shifts, I don't know, from like gold to rose red, and maybe green at a very extreme angle, but no purple. The purple pearl we want to work with is HKS. It's gorgeous, super saturated, really nice pearl. We've had it for a very long time. As far as pigment loads and ratios, we have no plan for that. So I've got 50 grams of ZTO HyperShift right here. That's going to go right into our glossy top coat. And then I've got 50 grams of HKS purple right here. We're going to put that in a little bit as we go. Let me show you the ZTO first. As you can see, golds, rose red, and really just a hair of green at those extreme angles. It's absolutely beautiful. So in goes 50 grams of ZTO. I love this pearl because we haven't used it in a really long time, and it doesn't have those blue, pink, green vibes that so many other HyperShifts have. Do you see any of the green on it? A little flaring off? Now, this is a color powder HyperShift pearl. The HyperShift pearls are extremely powerful. I have no idea how much purple we'll need to add to this mix before it even starts showing up, let alone has an effect. Let me show you the HKS. Really sweet looking purple, very metallic, wonderful sheen. I'm gonna put about what, like half of this? Gabe is in the background just, I don't know what he's doing. I don't know if he approves, disapproves. He's just got this look on his face. All right, here's some purple. What are you laughing at? Do you see anything? Here's some more purple. This is a very scientific process. Really well-calculated ratios. Do you see any change at all? I can't see the side. Gabe doesn't see anything. All right, I'm gonna put the whole 50 in. Oh no. Okay, there goes the whole 50. So now we got 50 grams of ZTO and 50 grams of HKS. I do have an extra bag of HKS here in case I need it. Based on Gabe's face, I might. Is anything happening? You know, okay, we'll check the stick of truth first. And then we'll go from there. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, so we got a little bit of that, a little bit of that, a little bit of that. The question is, how much of a role is the HKS playing in this end result? I may, don't do it. I may put the extra 25 in. We need to get a camera on Gabe. He is not. Oh no. Hey man, you know, you only live once, right? Yes. Gabe says there's interesting streaks going on. It's darker, if anything, right? Is it darker? I don't know. I can't even see it. All right. We're going to have to hit this with the dispersion blade, obviously, and you know what we do here. We're going to cut it with another gallon of glossy Dip Pro Top Coat. This might be the longest mixing segment in the history of Dip Your Car. All right, stick of truth again. Okay, there's a difference. Okay, so extreme, rolling over, extreme, rolling over. I like it. Is this going to work on the whole car? I mean, here's the only thing I'm worried about is sometimes when you put two different pearls together, then they're different materials and they're different pigment sizes, they battle and they create this blotchy mess along the inside, the whole side of the car. Is that going to happen on this one? No, because we're going to be positive about it and it's going to be terrific. Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with today's project, and we had two main questions going into this one. First, would the HKS purple be enough to make an impact on the ZTO? Would it change the look at all, or would it just get swallowed up by the powerful HyperShift pearl? And the second, if the HKS was enough to make an impact on the way the HyperShift looked, would it then kill the shifting properties of the HyperShift pearl? And the answers are a very pleasant surprise. The HKS completely changed the way that the ZTO looks, and we were able to maintain basically all the shifting properties of the HyperShift pearl. I could not be happier with the way that this one came out. We're going to take it outside right now, get you some shots in the direct sun and the clouds so you can get a really good idea of how it looks. And I will tell you right now, it seems like manipulating HyperShift pearls with other pearls definitely works, at least depending on the combination. So it's for sure going to be something we do again in the future. Now I got a challenge for you guys. I came up with the name for this color. Tequila Sunrise, and I think it fits perfectly. And I want to know, can you come up with a better name for this color combo? Write it in the comment section below, and of course, like always, I want to know what you think. Rate this color 1 through 5. 1, you hate it. 5, you absolutely love it. If you want to dip your own car, click right up here. We have a ton of different kits to help you dip everything in the world. I had a ton of fun in this project. I hope you had fun watching it. I'll see you on the next one.